So now, guys, you're going to try two questions on your own. Go in your math book, page 123, and you're going to try question 4, and you're going to try question 5. 4 and 5, you're going to try this on your own. Please remember to make use. I'm going to leave this right here for you. Make use of um, our chat that teaches us how to round. Remember, we said to estimate, you have to round. Now, reader, I don't want you to work out the exact answer. Thank you. I know you know how to do it. So I want you to learn how to estimate, because there are times you will have to give an estimate, an answer that is very close to the actual, but that is not the actual answer. Okay, make use of the rounding chat, and I'm gonna leave it right here. Okay, guys, go ahead. Guys, y'all did an awesome job. So 87, I noticed you guys round 87 to 90, and I saw some of you looking at our rounding chat. Very, very good. 90 times, and then you rounded this to 400, and what I thought was pretty amazing, I saw some people using the little strategy that I showed them using their finger in terms of multiplying the basic fact 9 and 7, and you went 1, 2, 3, 4, and you saw it was 36. Very quickly you could see 36 and 1, 2, 3 zeros, and you got 36,000. So I really like how you use all the little things that I showed you, including using your fingers to multiply. And by the way, I have a cool way to show you how to remember your how to know your 7 times table, and I'm going to show you that, all right, in another class. And the next one, 19 was rounded to 20, multiply, and this one rounded to the nearest 100, and most of you had 700, and then again 2 times 7 is 14, and I told you I'm going to show you a cool way to remember your 7 times table. Okay, and add 3 zeros, and I get 14,000. Very good. Give yourself a big clap. I think that's time for us to stand up and rock and roll. Okay, guys, let's go. Stand up, everybody. Let's go. Go, Jamie. Go, Jamie. Go, Jamie. Ooh, 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 ooh. I like this one, Rita. Oh, I don't know I can do this one.